Good day and evening. We are going to do the sliding windows and sliding doors, very simple, just for only 10 minutes. Just get your tool drawing with rectangle tools and put your rectangle on the floor with measuring 1 point to by 0.10 meters. But by using X, use comma 1.2, 0.10. Pull up the rectangle object you did with the height of 1.0 meters, then enter. Get the offset tools from your toolbars and offset the edge border assuming measurement 03, then enter. Then push the center drawing to make hole. The same way procedure to do the inside frame. Always use E group or N group. Offset the frame of 0.05. Use scroll wheels for zoom in and zoom out. The thickness of the frame about 0.03 by 0.05. Once you did the frame, you may go to rectangle to make a glass window, and also go to paint bucket to change the default color of the glass in transparent texture. You can touch the default glass using the space bar. Then go to corner and use move tools, touch the glass corner using move tools. Then move inside the frame. Go to paint bucket and change the texture color of the default glass and to become transparent tint glass. You can now group the object, the frame, and the glass. Then you can now multiply the slide window using the command of select tools or space keyboard. Then get the area F the window. Then use M of move tools. Touch the baseline, then control and move drag. Select the two window glass together. Use move tools inside the main frame, but also use scale tools fit in the glass frames to the main frame. Use scale tools to make the object to fit inside the frame. Use O or orbit tools to rotate your object. Group you the whole window object. And now you done it and finish your work. Congratulations. Now we are doing the simple sliding door. Just get the rectangle tool drawing, put on the floor, then the same procedure, use the move tools and control. Lay out the rectangle on the floor with measuring to 0.0 by 10 meters, then pull up with measure to 0.15, then enter. Offset the frame of 0.05. Use scroll wheels for zoom in and zoom out. Remove the center object using push tools. Push down the bottom frame using push tools, and delete the two lines. Scroll the wheel, zoom out and select the frame, and group the area. Go to the corner frame using a rectangle tools, then drag go into the center upper frame. Pull tools the object about 0.03 meters, then offset the frame using offset tools about 0.05 meters. The same procedure just like you did in window frames. How to edit the object. Just double-click the unit until you reach the object you want to revise the figure. Just copy, using space bar, click the object, then Get Tools Move, then Control, then drag the frame to the area you wish to relocate the frame. I copy the 1.0 x 1.0 window, using Move Tools, Control and Drag. I'm going to make the small window for toilet about 0.60 x 0.60. I cheat the drawing using scale to reduce the object figure with 50% measurement below the box. How to make dimension. Go the toolbar and get the tool using dimension. Go to the object. Point U tools to the edge corner as you wish you measure. Just keep on practice using the group, move, space bar, control. Double click for editing. Scale. Note scale can possibly use for mirror. Keep always 100% measurement at the box measurement at right down below box. Congratulations! Thank you for watching and I hope you learn a bit basic ideas using 3D Sketchup program.